Hello guys, welcome back to our tutorial series. So in this video guys, we are going to demonstrate how to get the how to create Windows authentication. And we'll get the current user of our ASP.NET Core API. Right, so we'll start to create a project and we select ASP.NET Core API. And then for example, we just name is this as uh, use yeah get user demo. So yeah, this is just a demo guys, so let's just create it. And the important one over here is authentication type. We have to select Windows, so it means to say that it is Windows authentication. What is your current login will be the one to use. Okay, so yeah, that's it. And then let's just create here. So this is .NET 7. So where's my screen? See here. So this is being created guys. So let's go to our program.cs. Excuse me. So as you can see here, okay, so we have nothing to uh, authorization. So there's nothing to add here in the middleware. And then when we run this one, so by default we have our weather forecast API. So our goal is to, yeah, that is how to create a Windows authentication. And then our goal is to get the current user. So let's just create a controller here. Okay, so let's create controller, an API controller, an empty controller, and just name it as user. Okay, so this is our API, and then we have to inject in the constructor guys, we have to inject the HTTP context, HTTP, let's context accessor. That is the middleware that allow us to get uh, the current and the identity of the user. Right, so let's just create the field. Okay, so yeah, after that we just create HTTP get method, and then it's just string because this is just a user. And then so let's say username would be our HTTP variable, HTTP see that HTTP context accessor, and then yeah, this one. Ah, I am using the incorrect variable, and then from that we can get HTTP context, and then that we can have the user, and then the identity, then authentication type. We can have the name like that. Okay, so we can return now because this is a string, so we can return our username. Okay, if no value, return blank. So let's try to take a look if it's working. I have no API user. We'll try it out. Execute. So the error, internal server error. This is all the thing. Okay, I think we have not injected it. The middleware, I think we have to we can use this. We need to configure in this. Let's see this. Uh, we forgot to add this the middleware for that. So we can add builder.services that add HTTP context. This is the middleware context accessor. Let's try to run if it's work again. Resolve scope service provider from the root provider. Why? Services that here. This is wrong. Yes, I think this is working. Can get now the current user. See? So I get my current user. My current user is my laptop. Then from our domain, we're doing Nasino del Oso. So yeah, that's our quick tutorial, guys. How you create your ASP.NET Core API using Windows Authentication, and then you can list or get the current user that is accessing to your application. So from that you can validate any other condition, any other logic that you will use. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and hit the bell button so you will be notified for the upcoming videos. Right? So happy learning. Bye bye.